birds here?
I'm pretty sure they can hear.
Buddy?
Fucking bird in our damn fucking room. Oh,
Hey, bud.
zooming in for no reason.
Hey, buddy. You about to hit the jackpot.
Oh yeah. Oh
About to
yeah.
hit the jackpot, little nigga.
Fuck room service. We got ourselves a bird. Dude, he's going in.
Yeah, he is. Oh my god.
Gotta zoom in on that.
My nigga.
Fuck Battlefield right now.
I bet this shit doesn't hurt him or anything.
They probably will. Alright, dude, don't eat that.
Yeah, guys.
Dude, we should like draw some blood. Oh my god, he's gonna pick my foot.
My little nigga. Oh my god.
Do you see how clean that area is right there?
Oh my god.
Don't go. Bring your friends, actually.
Yo, bring your homeboys. Just don't shit in the room. Don't
Oh
shit in the
yeah, I
room.
forgot about that.
Peace out, little dude. Bye, buddy. Oh, you ain't leaving? You going along the edge, huh?
Hey, he was making sure he was feeling it out.
It hurt. You can't been here too long. Don't get scared, bud. You chilling.
He's in a rush. Yo, you know you about to scare this motherfucker away. Oh, don't pet my pants. Don't pet my foot. What does the fox say? Going for his close-up on this nigga.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Hey, he's taking off. Huh?
Very precise.
He has to be full. He has to be fucking full by now.
Yeah, right? Because their stomach can't be that huge. I mean, they are big birds, but most of it's just like meat.
I'm loving how clean he's cleaning that floor though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, did you just shit?
Yeah, it,
That shit was fast.
yeah. It just happens. They don't even know when they
Look
do
at
it.
that shit. You better eat that shit.
Oh, I wonder, like,
Housekeeping. Bird just shit in our room. Oh, you didn't like that?
it's like I'm not just a fucking bird voice. I'm a goddamn pigeon. You know, I can pick this nigga up right
Oh shit! What is that? A donut?
No, don't eat that. Don't eat that.
Oh, yeah, he's dead. He's
Don't eat
dead.
that. Don't
He's
eat
fucking
that, bro.
dead.
Don't eat that, bro. Don't eat that, bro.
Dude, he's tearing it up.
Don't eat that. Hey, Richard, don't fucking eat that. I know you want to. I'll get you something else. Don't fucking eat that, bro. Stop. Stop it.
I don't feel bad now.
Stop eating that
Damn,
shit.
he's tearing
You're
it up.
fucking tearing it to pieces. You're making a bigger mess than you cleaned
Dude,
up.
he's like he actually haven't ate in fucking a week.
I ain't telling nobody about this room, nigga. There's food everywhere. I don't even know what this shit is. It's good.
A good.
It's good. What is that black shit on this chocolate?
Oh, he's probably gonna eat his own shit thinking it's chocolate.
Hope he doesn't eat his own shit. That'd make me fucking throw up right now.
Damn, man, you want some Henny with that? Okay, yeah, that's on the car.
Yeah, it's a little RC car. I was watching it earlier.
On the beach?
Yeah,
That's fucking cool.
going fast as hell too. So
Yeah, I see.
like you think that he'd be calm now that because he knows we're in here.
Oh, yeah.
He has to hear us talking.
Oh, yeah, let's get that little mess right there. Yeah.
Stay still. Stay still.
Oh, shit. Okay, so we got like, the whole flock now.
That was one of your boys.
Oh, yeah, he's going to his boys now. The boys. Found the jackpot.
I don't even know what type of sound they make.
It looks like nothing's going on through their heads right now.
Just
Food.
Where's he at?
He's right there. I know you want to see what. Here, take a picture. Oh, fuck it. He's getting nervous now. He's getting nervous.
James, you would not believe what's in here. Well, I ate most of it, but there's food on the fucking floor.
I just want to scare the shit out of him right now.
Don't do that. Please don't do that. Because he'll fly into the fucking door or something.
I think he knows where the door is. If he pecks my foot though, we'll fucking send him flying. Send you on your merry way. Go pick up that shit you just took, man.
Take your shit with you, bro.
At least clean up after yourself, damn. There he goes, get it.
He knows what it is.
Cool. Look how he just pegged with it. That's how you know these fucking birds are too comfortable over here. Look at that big piece.
Look what they did though, dude. This is fucking awesome.
Man, they get like the tiniest pecks.
Yeah.
They're so accurate too when they peg at shit. That's crazy.
Look how old he is.
Where'd he go? I'm done with that.